This is my independent study mid-semester update. I am using Hubs by Mozilla, and I will be doing parts 1, 2, and 4 of this presentation in class, but this is part 3 where I'm showing a demo of how to get started and just some steps that you can follow to get started if you wanted to use Hubs by Mozilla. So I will share my screen. This is Hubs by Mozilla. I am signed in with my profile, and to use these, they're all free, but you do need to create some profiles. So I'm not showing those steps because I'm already signed in as myself. The very first thing that you can do is click this create a room and really just jump right in, see what this is all about. When you create a room, it will automatically send you to their kind of default room. Let's see if my computer wants to get there. Yes, so it's this default room, and it's fun, but it's not the most interesting. Oh my. My computer's loving this. So I would like you to go here, and first I would like you to click change name and avatar. And I have already put my name in and my avatar. I just went in and picked a picture from that I have on my computer. So you can personalize it, pick your name and avatar. Then come here to options and click change scene. And here you can see lots of different scenes that people have created, and you can look through them and pick one that stands out to you. So I would like to join this too late one. I'm going to join the room. You can grant microphone permission, and you can explore. Right click to turn around, and then you can use your arrow keys or the AWSD to move forward, walk around. There are some objects that you'll find have been created so that you walk down on them and then you can't walk into them. And you can just look at all the little things that this person has put out. So once you have explored, you can go to place down here and camera, place a camera, and take a picture of yourself. So if you've changed your avatar, this is more fun because it's more personalized. But you can click the camera there, and there you go. Now you have a picture. So one easy way to access your picture, it does pop up right in front of you. You can go to the chat here, and then you can either save image as, if you right click onto the save image, copy image, anything that you would like, save that picture. Okay, so we have explored someone else's place and we have taken a picture. So we can leave this room here. And now we're going to create a room of our own. So click up here where it says spoke, and I have already signed in, so you would probably need to sign in at this point and get started and click a new project. Now you probably want to click new empty project, but you can pick a different project if you would like to add on to. If you click new empty project, it is going to bring you automatically to the creator. So we're in the creator, and in this creator, what I would like you to do is down here, you can make this a little larger. You can see all these elements that you can place. I'd like you to place at least 5 elements. So if you click here on architecture kit, you will see just some basic, like here are a bunch of floors. So I could place this floor here, click on it, and then bam, and I could place another one. If you want to stop placing, you just press escape. Again, left clicking to turn around, but you can also right click to turn around. And then when you're right clicking, if you do AWSD, then you can fly around. And I found that that is the easiest way to move around and to get a good look at what exactly you have. Now, some of these, you'll only be able to see them from certain dimensions, but that's not in the getting started aspect of it. Other things that you can click on, if you click Sketchfab, there are much more complex and fun things. So if and you can search, maybe I want to place an apple. Let's just see what there is. Oh, this looks like a nice one. So I'm gonna wait for that, and I can click and then it will go ahead and place itself. There's my apple. And you'll notice there are some arrows attached to it. The green one brings it up and down in space, the red one in this dimension, and the blue one in this dimension. And if you'll notice down here, these numbers will change as you move it. You can also rotate your apple. So seeing it a different way, it's not very clear with the apple, but with other objects, it would be clearer. And then you can scale it. So right now, all of my scales are connected, and it's a very small apple. But if I do it one, then now it's a very big apple. And now if we were to change the rotation of it, you can actually see a difference. So in this space, click or add at least 5 of these different elements. And then you can click Publish to Hubs. And you can name your project. I'm going to name it Big Apple. And you can allow these things if you would like. Save and publish. And then it will give you some stats, but you can just ignore them and let it upload. And then click View Your Scene. And now you will be viewing your scene the same way that we viewed someone else's scene beforehand. So you can create a room with this scene. And then join room. And now you can walk amongst and bonk into the objects that you have placed. And you can just have a fun time with your objects. And yes, so that is everything that you need to know to get started with Hubs by Mozilla. And there's a lot more to explore, but that is a good start. So thank you for listening.